What's going on, you guys? Today I'm going to be doing a free mod. We're going to be adjusting the preload on the wastegate. This is going to be real simple to do. And I've seen there's a couple other videos on this, but they're all pretty low quality. So my man said put a towel behind here so you don't drop this clip. You know we're famous for that. I did have a real towel, but forgot it inside. So paper towel it is. Well, this is really annoying, actually. But the first step, if you haven't already done it like I did, is going to be removing all of that heat shielding around your downpipe. And then you're going to use a screwdriver, take off this clip somehow. Come on, paper towel, do your job. Ooh, paper towel is awesome. Look at that. Got the clip. Don't lose that clip. This is probably something a little smaller. 10. So you'll loosen this nut up. That is rusty. I'm eventually going to replace this whole wastegate. But what we're going to do here is loosen that nut. And this will slide off. And you see, the arm can move. So what we're going to do, move that out the way. Loosen this bad boy up to the 0 point, and that is when the arm can slide on freely without having to pull on it at all. And I don't even know if that's going to happen at all. This wastegate is like, is this the stock wastegate? Yeah, I think it is. All right, I think that is the 0 point. Nope. Yeah, it is. These dudes are saying 6 turns, but I don't think that this is gonna go 6 turns. So each time this flips over would be like a half turn. So make sure it goes completely over 6 times, and then apparently you're gonna have to pull. Yeah, mine's not. Somebody must have already adjusted this. So I'm gonna go back a half turn, well, a full turn, see if I can get it on. All right, now there's no wiggle in that. Preload is adjusted. Boost should come on earlier, or when it's supposed to, at least. Tighten that nut back up. Put this clip back on. Jesus Christ. Alright, that's back on. If you have your heat shield, go ahead and put that back on. I'm gonna go grab my turbo blanket, throw that on here. And there you go, it's a free mod. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, make sure you click the subscribe button and definitely hit the bell button so you don't miss any more great content.